Fiverr is one of the best platforms to earn online. Follow these steps to start making $500+ per month. 1. Create an optimized Fiverr profile. Sign up on Fiverr, www.fiverr.com. Use a professional profile picture. Write a clear and attractive bio. Mention your skills and experience. List relevant skills. Use Fiverr's auto-suggestions. 2. Choose a high-demand skill. Best Fiverr niches in 2025. Graphic design, logos, thumbnails, video editing, reels, shorts, AI services, ChatGPT content, AI voiceovers, website development, WordPress, Shopify, digital marketing, SEO, ads management, content writing, blog posts, copywriting. Tip: if you have no skill, learn one from YouTube or Udemy in 2 to 4 weeks. 3. Create high-ranking Fiverr gigs. Use SEO-friendly gig titles, e.g., I will design a professional logo in 24 hours. Write a detailed description. Mention benefits and why clients should choose you. Set competitive pricing. $5-10 for first 5-10 orders, then increase. Add 3 high-quality images, chat videos. Use Canva for designing. Use Fiverr's buyer requests daily to get quick orders. 4. Get your first order fast. Secret tips: share your gig on Facebook groups, Reddit, LinkedIn. Offer discounts to first clients for good reviews. Use fast delivery and 24/7 available in your gig title. Reply to messages within minutes. Clients prefer quick responses. 5. Increase your Fiverr earnings money. Upsell additional services, e.g., if you sell logos, offer social media banners too. Get repeat clients. Offer discounts for returning customers. Scale with Fiverr Pro and level up. Deliver quality and get 5-star reviews. 6. Withdraw your Fiverr earnings in Pakistan. Best payment methods: Payoneer, best for Fiverr; direct bank transfer, JazzCash, Easy Payza via Payoneer. Conclusion: if you learn a high-demand skill, create an optimized gig, and promote your services, you can start making $500+ per month within 3 to 6 months. Are you ready to start? Comment below with your Fiverr niche. Blast off,